This segment of the news is brought to you by Sun Oil Limited.
Welcome back. Prime Minister Dr. Hubert Minnis congratulates Public Works Minister Desmond Bannister, Bahamas Power and Light Executive Chairman Donovan Moxey, and CEO Whitney Hasty for having eradicated load shedding exercises this summer, an activity that has plagued the country for decades. The Prime Minister says this much during his contribution in the House of Assembly yesterday.
We've had no load shedding this summer. None. In fact, many of us have not even recognized that we've gone through the summer period. No load shedding. Mr. Speaker, there were many complaints also about the cost of electricity. I am happy to announce that team and BPL again were successful in decreasing the electricity rate in the Bahamian people here in Nassau by 30%.
Now he notes that others may note that consumers would realize their bill is low, but still high. Well, the PM explains that because the country has been impacted by the pandemic and many Bahamians and residents are staying home more, thus increasing the amount of electricity used.
And I spoke to a friend just yesterday, and they told me that for the first time in their history, their light bill, in spite of utilizing the air conditioner, is now $99. And they're wondering what BPL is doing. So I want to congratulate BPL and the minister.
Now, a year ago, Public Works Minister Desmond Bannister announced in the House of Assembly that BPL consumers can expect to see a temporary increase in their electricity bills of about $20 to $30 per month due to the company's electricity rate reduction bond. That increase was expected to span for 10 months this year in an effort to refinance the company's legacy debt. In crime news, police here in the capital need your help locating two male suspects believed to be responsible for an armed robbery which occurred yesterday afternoon. According to reports, shortly after 4 o'clock, two males, one of whom was armed with a handgun, entered a business establishment situated on East and Fowler Street. While there, they accosted the cashier and robbed her of an undetermined amount of cash. The suspects ran away, heading west along Fowler Street. Investigation into this matter continues. And Health Minister Renward Wells touring Samaritan's Purse Field Hospital for an update since the facility was erected over the weekend. On October 15th, the group announced it was deploying a field hospital in New Providence after an increase in COVID-19 cases. Back in August, the Consultant Physician Staff Association warned that healthcare facilities were at capacity. The Samaritan's Purse Field Hospital is set to improve and assist PMH with COVID-19 patients that require hospitalization. Upon completion of the project, Samaritan's Purse is expecting to hand over remaining medical supplies, the entire field hospital and patients to PMH, after which the National Emergency Management Agency will be receiving supplies for future crisis response when PMH no longer needs the facility. Stay with us.
This segment of the news has been brought to you by Sun Oil Limited.